Inspirational personality in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, without taking much time, I would like to invite him on stage. Put your hands together for the motivational speaker, the brigadier, Sushil Babu. Come on, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, boys and girls. There has to be energy in the room because nothing happens without energy. Energy is everything and everything is energy. How many of you agree with me? If you agree with me, please say with me. Energy is? Everything. And everything is? Energy. Everything is? Energy. If it is energy, let me see you getting up with energy. Get up!